Good morning, student of class 1. I am your computer teacher Sonji sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 4, using computers. Okay, do's and don'ts. So chapter number 4, using computer, do's and don'ts. Okay, so let's start. This is the content of this chapter. Okay, so number 1 topic is be safe. Number 2 is keep the computer clean. Number 3 is be gentle. So these three topics I am going to discuss in this video. Okay, and this is the syllabus of the first term examination. Okay, chapter number 1, computer, a machine. Chapter number 2, uses of a computer. Chapter number 3, parts of a computer. Chapter number 4, using computer, do's and don'ts. Okay, so these 4 chapters which are included in the first term examination syllabus. So all of you have to take a note about the syllabus. Okay, now move on to the topic. So we are already aware that computer works on electricity. That means we all know that computer is an electronic machine and computer uses electricity to work. So the computer is mainly a electronic machine. Okay, so we must follow the certain precaution to stay safe while working on the computer. Okay, so here are some do's and don'ts that we must keep in mind when using the computer. So all of you can see these two images, and this is the CPU box. Okay, here you can see that this is the CPU box of a computer system. So first point is, do not pull wires or port attached to the computer. Okay, so you all know that there are many types of wire which are attached to the CPU box. Okay, so we do not pull wires or ports attached to the computer system. Okay, next is, do not put your finger to any slot of CPU box. Okay, here you can see this is the CPU box, and do not, all of you need to should remember these things. Okay, so all of you should remember this thing when you're working on a computer. Please do not put your fingers in any type of slot. Okay, any type of slot. Next is, first is, do not eat or drink near the computer system. Okay, so this is the very bad habit. If you eat or drink near the computer system, it can damage your computer system. Okay, please do not eat or drink near the computer system. Next is, always clean the computer with a soft and dry cloth. Okay, we all know that computer is an electronic machine, so we need to keep the computer clean. Okay, so all of you should clean the computer with a soft and dry cotton cloth. Okay, next is, always keep the computer system covered when not in use. That means if you do not work on your computer system, then please keep computer system covered. Okay, this is very important. Okay, next is, be gentle. Okay, be gentle. First is, do not press the keys hard. Okay, do not press the keys hard, it may damage the keyboard. We all know that the keyboard has many keys. Okay, and we need to press these keys very gently. So do not press the keys very hard, it can damage your computer keyboard. Okay, next is, do not pull any parts away from the computer. Okay, we all know that there are different types of parts in a computer like keyboard, mouse, etc. Okay, so do not pull any parts away from the computer system. Okay, next is correct posture. Here you can see the first image. Do not sit too close to the computer screen, it may harm your eyes. Okay, so when you sit on a chair, please keep safe distance. Okay, please keep distance from the monitor of a computer. Okay, it may harm your eyes. Next picture is, always sit keeping back straight. Okay, all of you should follow these rules. Okay, when you're working on a computer, please keep sit straight while working on a computer. Next is picture number 3. Put a chair a proper height. Okay, put a chair a proper height. It may causes some problem to your back if the posture of sitting is not correct. Okay, so all of you need to follow the second picture. Okay, the second picture says about sit straight while working on a computer. Okay, this is the best posture. Okay, so put a chair a proper height. It may causes some problem to your back if the posture sitting is not correct. Next is be disciplined or well behaved. Here you can see the picture number 1. Okay, so when you walk into the computer lab, go one by one. Okay, and also do not misbehave with each other. Okay, they are all your classmates, so do not misbehave with each other. Okay, next is picture number 1. Do not disturb other student while working on a computer. Okay, so we need to follow these rules. Okay, follow these things. Do not disturb other student. Okay, do not disturb other student while working on a computer. Next thing is, do not keep the volume of speaker at a high level. This is very bad habit. Okay, so keep the volume down. Okay, keep the volume down. If you do not keep the volume of speaker at a high level, then you will facing some hearing issues. Okay, so do not keep the volume of speaker at a high level. Next is, do not snatch the mouse or keyboard from others. Okay, so this is very important. When you're working on a computer, please do not snatch the mouse or keyboard from others. Next is share the computer with others, because we all are friends and we all are classmates, so we need to share your computer with each other. Okay, learn to work in groups, so we all of need to follow these rules. Okay, so first is, do not disturb other student while working on a computer. Do not keep the volume of speaker at a high level. Next is, do not snatch the mouse or keyboard from others. Share your computer with others and learn to work in groups. Okay, next is, do not bring a magnet near the computer. Okay, so we need to follow this. This is very important. Do not bring a magnet near to the computer. It can damage your computer system. Okay, next is, here you can see some bookmarks are there. Okay, first is port. Port means a socket into a which a device can be plugged. Okay, port means a socket. Okay, port means a socket where a device can be plugged in. Okay, next is slot. Slot means a narrow opening present on a CPU to attach other devices. Okay, next is a magnet. Magnet and an object that attracts iron. Okay, we all know that about what is the magnet. Magnet is an object that attracts iron. Okay, so this is a very simple chapter. We need to follow these rules while working on a computer. Okay, so all of you need to please read the chapter very carefully. Okay, and also follow these things while working on a computer. Okay, so today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video, I will discuss the exercise question answer from this chapter. Okay. So till then, take care. Goodbye and thank you.